What's going on, good people of the Hamilton Presbytery? My name is Grant Vissers, and I'm here to walk you through two things on YouTube. So this is a tutorial to upload videos to YouTube, to our YouTube channel, and it's a tutorial on how to download videos from our YouTube channel, the Hamilton Presbytery YouTube channel. And so you can see in the bottom of this video, there's a little slider, and it'll be marked out how to upload and how to download. So if you're looking for just one of those tutorials, you can skip ahead or back to watch that specific portion. But I just want to say a couple things right off the bat as we jump in. And the first is that this isn't a tutorial on how to download any video from any YouTube channel. This is only how to download a video from our YouTube channel, that is the Hamilton Presbytery YouTube channel. And so that's for a number of different reasons, but like first off, copyright prevents us. Like we're not supposed to be downloading videos from anybody's YouTube channel to use in our services. That's against the YouTube terms and conditions, and most often it's against copyright law. So this is not a video on how to do that. This is a catalog of songs and sermons that we, the ministers and elders in our presbytery, have agreed to share together. And so this really is just the best way for us to be able to view them. You can kind of scroll through all the videos, you can pick which ones you want, and then you can download them to use in your Sunday service. So that's number one. Number two is that no matter what you choose to use here, if you're choosing to use music, you need, that is your church needs its own streaming license from CCLI. That's the easiest way to get it. Most churches have CCLI licenses already. You just have to make sure that you have the streaming portion of the license, and that's going to allow you to live stream or record stream these songs that have been recorded. So the churches who have recorded these songs, they have the streaming rights, but that doesn't mean you have the streaming rights. So just make sure that your church has purchased the streaming rights for, through CCLI, and that's going to enable you to use these songs in your Sunday services, whether that's on Zoom or YouTube, Vimeo, any other streaming platform. That's what you need to make sure you've got in order as you're jumping in. You can follow along, and hopefully this will help you both upload if you want to share resources with other churches in the presbytery, or download if you want to use some of the resources that our colleagues have generously chosen to share with us to help during this season. So first off, what you're going to need is the login information for our YouTube channel, and you can get that from David Moody. And if you have any trouble signing in, he's the go-to person in our presbytery with that information. So get a hold of David, and he's going to help you get into the channel, that is log into our channel. Once you're there, this is what you're going to see. You're going to come to what is basically our homepage of the Hamilton Presbytery. There's not a whole lot there right now, and that's just because most of our videos are public but not in a playlist. And so if you, rather than clicking on home here, if you just click over to videos, you're going to see the videos, all of the music that's been uploaded so far, and more as it gets uploaded. This is sorted default chronologically, and so it's by upload date, date added. So you can go date added oldest, date added newest, and you can also hit most popular. But that's just going to help you look through the music that you can use, as well as sermons as they become available. So right off the bat, what you can do here, and this is why I'm taking you in this way, there are multiple ways of doing it, but you may see songs that you are familiar with, you may see names of songs that you're not familiar with, and this just gives you the ability to scroll through and listen to some of the music that's been uploaded. So for example, let's just hit this, Stand in Your Love. I believe that these are the good people over at Heritage Green. And you can listen to this song and decide whether it fits. So let's say that this video is one that you want to use in your service. Because it's up here on the Hamilton Presbytery website, that means that the people over at Heritage Green, they're saying, hey, please use this as a resource. And so if you want to do that, what you need to do is follow these really simple but important steps. Right? Number one, hit this little blue button right here that says Edit Video. Now, this is where we need you to follow the steps precisely, because accidentally, you could delete the video from our page. It's not that easy to do, but once you've hit edit the video, you're gonna see details. So the title, a description, thumbnail, all of this. We don't want you to touch anything here. So don't go in and edit anything in this section. What you're gonna look for is 3 small buttons at the top right of the screen. And then if you click on that, you can actually just click download, and you're gonna see the video pop up and download to your download folder. And it is that simple. So if you are needing music for your services, this is just a real simple way for us to share resources together. Obviously, once you've downloaded the file here, you just need to pull it into your own editing software, and away you go. So the second portion of this video is for anybody looking to upload videos and share them. And if you've been streaming on YouTube, you're gonna know how to do this. You don't have to watch through it at all. But if you've maybe only been doing things like on Zoom or other platforms, this is just a real quick run through on how to upload a video to YouTube. The first thing you're gonna do, same as before, you're gonna wanna be signed in. It's gonna bring you to the home page for the Hamilton Presbytery YouTube channel. And right off the bat, you're just gonna scroll right up here to this little button that has a plus and a camera. You're gonna hit create, and then you're gonna hit upload video. That's gonna take you straight to the video uploader. And at that point, you're gonna wanna locate the file that you have. So I've got all my edited songs for 2021 here. Let's say I want to use something from January 17th. So our praise team recorded Good, Good Father. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag it over, and I'm going to drop it in here, and the upload is going to begin to the YouTube channel. Now here, what you're going to do is just title it. So I'm going to put the name of the song first, and that's just going to help us look through it easily. And then I'm going to put Knox Church Waterdown Praise Team, just because that helps, you know, people who are sorting through and looking through videos to know what the song is and who's done the song. What can they expect? So right there, I'm gonna scroll down here. I'm gonna hit no playlist for now, and then I'm gonna hit yes, it's made for kids. And this is our channel. This is like the default channel setting, that all of it is made for kids. That just protects any kids who may appear in the videos. And it also says to YouTube, hey, don't monetize these videos with ads that are inappropriate for kids to see. And so it's just good. You need to select these things, but just do exactly what we've done here. And then we're gonna hit next. And video elements, just skip through this portion. And then here, what you want to do is hit public, and then hit publish. Now, depending on your internet speed, this is going to take anywhere from a couple minutes to maybe even a few hours. This is looking like it's going to take about 58 minutes here, based on my internet speed this afternoon, which is just about as bad as it's been recently. So I'm actually gonna close this out, but you don't wanna close this window while you're uploading. Just let it upload, let it do its thing, and then your video is gonna be added. After the video is added, you can go back to the channel. You can actually just hit this big H, purple H here at the top, and it's gonna take you over to the channel. You can hit videos again, and if your video has completed uploading, it will appear here as the most recent video. So just double check that it's done that, and then it will be added to the catalog of songs for churches to use. All right, that is it. So again, simple video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking some time to both upload music and share music together as a presbytery. I love that we're doing this. I think that this is a good gospel move. It's a good kingdom move because we're not about building bigger churches as individual local churches. Like, we are about growing the kingdom of God, and sharing resources is just one way we can do that. So if you are uploading, thank you. If you are using this, thank you. I think this is going to hopefully allow our local churches to worship Jesus just a little bit better and a little bit more corporately. I think this is a great reminder that we are in this together. So if you have any questions, reach out to me or to David Moody. We would love to help you. Again, if you have trouble logging into the account, that's a question for David, and happy uploading.